I make $10,000 a month from YouTube from this very small channel without AdSense and without showing my face. Not from views, not from the YouTube Partner Program. 4 revenue levels that most faceless creators don't even know exist. If your channel's getting views but making no money, you're probably stuck at level 1. I'm going to show you all 4, and by the time you get to level 4, you'll understand exactly why some faceless channels make 10 times more than channels with 10 times more views. Level 1. Get your viewers to do something small. Right now, most of your viewers are watching your videos and then just leaving. They enjoyed it. Maybe they learned something, but they didn't take any action, and that means they're worth $0 to you, regardless of how many of them there are. The fix is stupid simple. You give them something small to do before they click away. Ask a question in your video that people actually want to answer in the comments. Something specific to the topic, not just, what do you think? If you're running a channel about dog training, you could say, drop a comment telling me what breed you've got and what behavior is driving you crazy right now. If it's a home improvement channel, tell me what room you're renovating next. That one comment turns an invisible viewer into someone you can actually talk to. You could also offer something free in the description, like a checklist or a quick guide related to the video topic. A dog training channel could have a free first week puppy schedule, PDF. A cooking channel could have a weekly meal prep template. It doesn't need to be fancy. You can make it in Canva in 20 minutes. But the person who downloads that freebie has now taken an action. And people who take one small action are way more likely to click an affiliate link or buy something from you down the line. Think of it like this. A viewer who just watches is cold. A viewer who comments or downloads something is warming up. And warm viewers are the ones who eventually spend money. Now, level 2 is where you start building real trust with your audience. And trust is the thing that actually turns viewers into buyers. And if you want to see exactly what this looks like in practice, I made a free resource called the AdSense Escape Kit. It's 3 AI prompts that help you find buyer intent keywords, fact check your scripts, and hook viewers in the first 30 seconds. The link is in the description. Grab it for free while you're there. Level 2, help viewers figure out their problem. Instead of jumping straight to recommending a product, you need to help the viewer understand what's actually going on with their specific situation. This is called a diagnostic offer, and almost nobody in the faceless YouTube space does it, which is exactly why it works so well. Here's what this looks like. Say you've got a channel about home improvement. At the end of a video about common renovation mistakes, you say, if your renovation's going over budget and you can't figure out why, comment the word budget, and I'll send you the 3 places most people overspend without realizing it. For a pet channel, it could be, if your dog's pulling on the leash and nothing you've tried has worked, it's usually one of 2 things. Comment leash, and I'll tell you which one it probably is. You're not selling anything here. You're just helping someone understand where their problem actually is. But what happens is the viewer goes from thinking, this is a useful channel, to this person actually helped me with my specific situation. That's a completely different level of trust. And once someone trusts you like that, everything you recommend after carries way more weight. That trust is exactly what makes level 3 work. And level 3 is where the actual money starts coming in. Level 3. Build your affiliate recommendations into the problem. Here's where most people go wrong with affiliate marketing on YouTube. They mention a product at the end of the video and say, links in the description, and then wonder why nobody clicks. The reason is that the recommendation has no context. The viewer doesn't feel any connection between their problem and the product you're suggesting. The channels that actually make affiliate income do it differently. They structure the entire video around a problem and then present the affiliate product as the natural solution. So a cooking channel doesn't make a video called KitchenAid Mixer Review. They make a video called How to Cut Your Meal Prep Time in Half. The first few minutes talk about why meal prep takes so long, what most people waste time on, and what actually speeds up the process. By the time you mention the specific mixer or food processor and drop the affiliate link, the viewer already understands exactly why they need it, because you spent the whole video building that context. Same with a dog training channel. Don't make best dog training collar review. Make how to stop your dog pulling on walks without treats. Walk through the methods, explain why some don't work, and when you get to the tool that does, the affiliate link feels like a helpful recommendation, not a sales pitch. And one thing that makes a huge difference, keep your recommendations consistent. Pick 4 or 5 products you genuinely think are the best, and keep recommending those same ones across your videos. When someone sees you recommending the same leash in your 3rd or 4th video, they think, okay, This person actually stands behind this product, and that's when they click. Now, levels 1 through 3 will cover most faceless channels, but level 4 can bring in more money per viewer than affiliate commissions ever will, and it costs you almost nothing to set up. Level 4. Let your audience tell you what to sell them. This is where people overthink it. They try to come up with a product idea out of thin air, spend weeks building something, and then nobody buys it because it was never based on a real need. The smarter move is to just pay attention to your comments. After you've posted 20 or 30 videos, patterns start showing up. The same questions keep appearing across different videos. And those repeated questions are products waiting to be built. If you run a home improvement channel and people keep asking, but how do I actually know if I need a contractor or if I can do it myself? That's a decision-making checklist you can sell for $12. If you run a cooking channel and people keep asking, can you show me a full week of meals with a grocery list? That's a meal plan pack you can sell for 17 bucks. If you've got a pet channel and people keep asking, what would you do if you were training my specific breed? That's a consultation you can offer for $40 to $75. You didn't guess what people wanted. You read the comments and built exactly what they asked for. And when you launch that product, the pitch is easy because you can literally say, I've gotten this question hundreds of times, so I built the answer. That's way more convincing than, I made this thing and you should buy it. Quick tip on consultations specifically. If you ever offer one through your channel, don't just say, book a call with me, because that's too vague and people don't know what they're getting. Package it as a specific result, not dog training consultation, but in 30 minutes, I'll watch a video of your dog on a walk and tell you exactly what's causing the pulling and how to fix it. Instead of saying home renovation call, say, I'll look at your renovation plan and tell you where you're about to overspend. The more specific that outcome is, the more comfortable someone feels booking it. And here's a script structure you can use in any of your videos that naturally leads to whatever offer you're making. It goes pain, explanation, diagnosis, offer. You name the pain. For example, your dog barks loudly every time someone knocks on the door. You explain why. It's not aggression, it's actually excitement that was accidentally reinforced. You give a quick diagnosis. Here's how to tell which type of barking your dog is doing. And then you present the offer. If you want a full breakdown of how to fix this, I made a step-by-step guide. It's linked in the description. Once you lock in all of these levels, your affiliate recommendations, digital product pitches, and consultation offers get ridiculously easy. And the reason they work is that by the time you get to the offer, the viewer already trusts you because you just identified their exact problem and explained why it's happening. If you want the full system for building this out on a faceless channel, check out the online business club in the description. While you're there, drop a comment telling me which level you've already tried.